Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 21st of August 2017. Let's go into the euro dollar. There was a profitable trade today from our 79 short level. You can see there was a pretty fast and quick reaction to that short level. Also, our long level, our older long level from 1740 got hit right there. Unfortunately, I discarded that level sooner when this test occurred, because this looked like those volumes got already tested right there in this area. So I discarded that level. I was probably too much conservative there. I should have taken that trade. So I hope you guys took that and you took a profit there. Unfortunately, I didn't. Anyways, as far as today's levels are concerned, I have two long levels that I like to trade. The first one is a long level at 1754. The reason for that level, the main reason is that it's a weekly point of control, which means that the heaviest volumes of this week were placed exactly in this area, and there was a strong rejection of lower prices and strong buying activity after this volume accumulation. So I think that those volumes are probably volumes of strong buyers pushing the price upwards, and I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area, and I think it will be a nice opportunity to go long from there. My second long level is from 1697. It's an older long level. And the reason for that is this rejection of lower prices and this volume cluster I was accumulated within this strong rejection. So I'll be hoping that the price will come back to this area, make pullback, and that those strong buyers will become aggressive again and they will push the price higher once more. Let's go into the Australian dollar, US dollar. As you can see right now, I am in a short trade from 79.11. So far it looks like a nice reaction to those heavy volumes that got accumulated before this strong sell-off. So let's hope that the price reaches the profit target right there. Let's have a look at yesterday's trade, which was a short trade from 79.15. Unfortunately, it hit my stop loss, and right after that, it would run into a profit target. So if you were trading different methods, for example, Ziggy's method, it would be profit for you, but unfortunately for me, I took a stop loss right there. Also, I had to discard a long level from 78.95. Because of this test, so there was no trade for me in today's Asian session. So I discarded that level, and there's also one short level that I like to trade and one long level that I like to trade. The short level is at 79.41. It's based on those volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action area, and I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers adding to their selling positions and finally pushing the price lower. So I'll be waiting for a pullback, and I think that this will be a nice opportunity for us to enter our short trades from there. I also have a long level at 78.56. The reason for that level, for that older level, is this strong buying activity, indicating strong buyers were pushing the price upwards. I think that those buyers were accumulating their volumes right there, a lot of their volumes right there at this volume cluster. And I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those strong buyers that were adding their positions right there will become aggressive. They will be defending their positions and they will push the price upwards once more. Let's go into the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Unfortunately, there aren't any new levels in the immediate area that I'd like to trade that would be viable for me to trade, but there are two levels that I like very much. Both are pretty old levels, but I think that they will work nevertheless. The first one is a short trade from 26.54, and the reason for that short level are those volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action area. You can see that after that there was strong selling activity, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers. And I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those sellers will be defending their positions and they'll push the price lower once more. I also have a very old long level from 24.87. You can see it's around 3 weeks old long level, but I think it's pretty solid one. And the reason for that level are those volumes, those very heavy volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action area, which was followed by strong buying activity, indicating that those volumes, and also those volumes that you can see on a cumulative profile, were volumes of strong buyers finally pushing the price higher. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area, and hopefully the market will remember that strong level and the strong buyers will be defending their positions there, and they'll push the price upwards once more. Let's have a look at the US dollar Japanese yen. There are two short levels that I like to trade. The first one is a new one at 109.70. It's actually pretty nice short level. You can see very sharp volumes accumulated in this sideways price action area, and after that nice strong selling activity, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers accumulating their selling positions and pushing the price lower afterwards. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to this area and go short from there. Second short level is older level from 110.14. The reason for that level is this strong rejection of higher prices with volume accumulation in this area. I think that strong sellers were accumulating their selling positions right there, and I'll be waiting for a pullback, and I'll enter my short positions from 110.14 right there. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!